Hi, this is me, Gatha. January 1st of 2021, this is when I started a series called Creating My Dream Life. It was basically me creating my dream life and taking you with me. In this, I focused on organized, being productive and all that stuff. This is important, I agree. It was going great, but in the past few days, I was not feeling like getting up to work. I'm feeling a bit unmotivated. I started to get addicted to social media again. I'm just working, but this does not feel like a glow up or something I wanted to feel. So from tomorrow, June 2021, I'm going to start a whole new life where I will be resetting my bad habits, my routine and everything to create and glow up physically and mentally to create my dream self and dream life.